Hello and welcome to our Kanban tutorial. It's a great project management tool which focuses on operational efficiency. It instantly answers your questions. Where are we now? Who is working on what? What should we do next? Kanban ensures everyone is on the same page so that your projects run smoothly from start to finish. Step 1. In system maintenance, set up your tasks to create your columns. Click Add New. Add colors to help you identify at a glance where you are in your pipeline. Add link sequence to determine the rows. Step 2. Create your task. Let's create this one from an estimate. Simply tick a box where you want your task to be created. Press Save and your tick box will automatically change into a task icon. Click on a task icon if you want to view your task. Click on a pencil icon on top left if you want to amend your task. Step 3. Manage your workflow. Assign your tasks to your team members. Add descriptions so everyone knows what's expected from them and what they should be doing. Step 4. Share Kanban with your team and see communication benefits. Click on a task to bring up details. Click Share to get URL and keep everyone up to date. Allow autonomy for your team to update the status of your task by simply dragging it. Use filters to find your task, or type in a search field. Step 5. Add attachments to store all your documents in one place. Click Open Document, then on 3 little dots. A window will appear where you simply have to drag and drop your documents. Stage 6. Tag your colleagues to speed up the process. Where Notes field is, type Add symbol and start typing your colleague's name. List of names will appear, so just click on the name you need. Add notes to make sure that everyone is staying up to date. You can assign tasks by clicking on a person icon. Click Bell to check your alerts. Link to other tasks or projects that might be causing a bottleneck. Identify issues stopping your progress efficiently. Click on a card, choose a task, and link it. You can now sit back and relax knowing that all your projects are where they need to be. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in our next video. Get in touch with us for more information.